Hello folks, how you going? Something a bit different today than the usual. Just picked up from the PO, the post office, my new Samsung S9 Plus. This is the Poetic case for it, so I thought let's do an unboxing here. I haven't actually opened it yet. So let's see what's inside it. And of course we're going to want to put on our phone, aren't we? Well, it's not actually my phone, it's someone else's phone I've got for a present. It's not really my colour. But let's just see if we get inside it anyway. Thank you for your purchase. Box there. So as I said, this is the Samsung S9, scratch resistant and all that hoo-ha. It tells you how to put it on, if you didn't know. Pretty cool. So it's got all round protection, this Poetic case here, which means the S9 Plus, if you didn't know already, has a curved screen, so this is pretty cool. It's got it is plastic, however apparently it's scratch proof plastic, so, and that's the phone. Well, it's not, but pretend it is. And here we have the back. So what you actually do, it would be better if I had the phone, but I haven't got it yet. It's coming from China sometime very soon. So anyway, what you're going to do is you're going to put the phone in here. It's a nice clear backing, completely covered. You've got button cutouts here, little flip holes here for your charger and speaker, this sort of hoo-ha. Nice non-slip side here, so it doesn't fall out your hands. However, if it does, once the phone's in here and she's all locked together, as I'm sure you'll agree, if I can get my lumpy hands to work, once it's all locked in place, what you've got is a case that has your mobile inside of it, completely covered up. So you go for a drop, it's not going to touch any part of your phone. Pretty much the same thickness as the phone itself. I've had a look at these in the shop, so I've actually seen how they run with the phone in there, so they're pretty cool. The only opening is of course for your camera, and as I said, yeah, it's plastic, but this sits on your screen and actually locks onto your screen, so it actually looks like it's one piece. It doesn't look like a piece of plastic sitting on top. So yeah, that's really cool. So there you have it. If you're interested, I'll chuck a link in the description of where and how and who and how much and all that hoo-ha. So if you've got any questions, I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget, whack that thumbs up. The next video relating to the Poetic will be with the phone inside, of course, because that's all really what we want to see, isn't it? Rather than just a case. But anyway, it gives you an idea of what's in the box if you purchase one of these Poetics. Recommended. Pretty cool. By memory, you're looking at about $2 or $25, something like that. So awesome. Thumbs up. See you somewhere. Bye for now.